Mankind has been looking up at the stars for millennia. What would we give to be able to peer at the sparkling shapes in the firmament up close? What remained an unfulfilled dream for our ancestors in past centuries has become reality for us today. Thanks to modern space probes and highly complex space telescopes, we citizens of Earth can now take a vivid look at the incomparable beauty of the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope has been providing us with spectacular images from space since the early 1990s, and we still regularly receive new photos from the impressive realm of the stars. Today, we would like to take a closer look at some of these fascinating images of our galactic neighborhood. In the infinity of space, where the stars burn in the moonlight and the galaxies rotate in the celestial sphere, there is a world of beauty that cannot be seen and deep mystery. Imagine standing at the edge of the world and looking at wonders that are unknown to man. For thousands of years, it has been the stuff of distant dreams and aspirations, reserved for science fiction and mythology. However, what seemed impossible has become a wonderful reality thanks to the wonders of science and modern technology. Launched into the sky with the promise of revealing the universe in the past, the Hubble Space Telescope has changed our understanding of the universe, providing images that stir the soul and the flames of the idea. As we prepare to delve into the celestial wonders captured by Hubble, let us take a moment to marvel at the extraordinary journey that has brought these images to our screens. Since its launch in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has served as humanity's cosmic eye, peering into the deepest corners of space and returning images of galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters that were once beyond our reach. Despite an initial setback that nearly derailed its mission, Hubble has overcome the odds to become one of the most prolific and cherished instruments in the annals of astronomical discovery. Tonight, we embark on a voyage through some of the most breathtaking images ever captured by Hubble. Each photograph is a window into the grandeur of the universe, showcasing celestial phenomena that defy our wildest imaginations. Prepare to be mesmerized by the scale and beauty of these natural wonders as we explore the incredible details and incredible views provided by Hubble. Dwarf Irregular Galaxy IC 1613. We begin our journey with Dwarf Irregular Galaxy IC 1613, a celestial wonder that reveals the complexities of galaxy formation. Unlike spiral or bar galaxies, IC 1613 is an irregular dwarf galaxy, a type characterized by the absence of a central core or a distinct spiral structure. The view is spectacular, with an abundance of stars and gas clouds that defy conventional classification. Hubble's image shows the galaxy in its infinite beauty, a kaleidoscope of stars and interstellar matter that shows the power of its evolution. Image IC 1613 invites us to think about the forces at play in these little-known corners of the universe, where traditional galactic structures give way to both disturbing and exciting. The galaxy NGC 147 is an amazing example of how vast the universe is. Located in the Cassiopeia constellation, NGC 147 stretches over 300,000 light-years across, a vast sea of stars that seems to defy our understanding of distance and size. Discovered in 1829, the galaxy shows a wealth of celestial bodies, which contribute to the galaxy's overall brightness. Hubble's image of NGC 147 is a stunning view of this massive structure, allowing us to see the vastness of galaxy clusters and the complex interactions between the stars within. Looking at this image, we are reminded of the depth of the universe and the seemingly endless constellations that fill its vastness. Dwarf galaxy NGC 185. Not far from NGC 147, we find the dwarf galaxy NGC 185, a celestial body that is very impressive. Like its companion NGC 147, NGC 185 is a circumstellar galaxy characterized by a smooth, rounded shape and an active galactic nucleus at its center. This core is a region of intense radiation that is attributed not only to the stars, but also to the complex and energetic processes of the galaxy. NGC 185, discovered by Friedrich Wilhelm Herschel in 1787, is a good example of the relationship between galaxy structures and their properties. The Hubble image reveals the stunning beauty of NGC 185 and provides insight into the dynamic forces that shape this distant galaxy. The planetary nebula NGC 40. We will explore the planetary nebula NGC 40, a fascinating example of stellar evolution and the remnants of stellar life cycles. Planetary nebulae, as the name suggests, are not planets, but the final stages of stellar evolution for certain types of stars. And GC40, in the constellation Cepheus, is a nebula of plasma and gas formed by a dying star. The Hubble image shows the complex structure and movement of the nebula, which appears spherical and swirling when viewed through a telescope. Between 18,000 and 90,000 degrees Fahrenheit, NGC40 recalls the thermal processes that occur later in a star's life cycle. Its creation 4,500 years ago is a short but powerful moment in the world's history. Binary cluster Caldwell 14. We continue our journey with binary cluster Caldwell 14, an interesting cluster in the constellation Perseus. NGC 884 and NGC 869. This pair is home to thousands of stars, each contributing to the cluster's light. At 7,500 light-years from Earth, Caldwell 14 is a spectacular view of young stars alive in the early stages of formation. These clusters have a mass of 20,000 times that of our Sun and are 12.8 million years old, representing the early stages of the evolution of the star system. The Hubble image captures the cluster's individual stars in stunning detail, revealing their colors and arrangements. In GC 5005, we turn our attention to NGC 5005, a spiral galaxy that presents a fascinating view of its structure and composition. This image of NGC 5005, located 44 million light-years from Earth, shows a detailed image of the galaxy's spiral arms and central core. Some experts believe that there is a supermassive black hole at the center of NGC 5005, a hypothesis that NASA plans to investigate further. The complex patterns and bright regions of NGC 5005's spiral arms are clearly visible, revealing the complex interplay of stars, gas, and dust that characterizes spiral galaxies. This image serves as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of galactic systems. NGC 4559. Continuing through the universe, we reach NGC 4559, another typical spiral galaxy. NGC 4559, in the Coma-Bernix collection, is a textbook example of a spiral galaxy structure with well-defined spiral arms and a bright central core. Discovered in 1784, NGC 4559 is visible from Earth with intermediate telescopes, introducing astronomers to the beauty of spiral galaxies. The Hubble image shows the galaxy's spiral arms and complex structure, showing the difference between the inner and outer regions. This figure emphasizes the importance of spiral galaxies and their role in the universe at large. NGC 3626. Our next visit will take us to NGC 3626, a lenticular galaxy that represents a cross between circular and spiral galaxies. More than 64 million light-years from Earth, NGC 3626 has a large central bulge that dominates the rest of the galaxy. This large region is surrounded by the outer layer of lenticular galaxies. The Hubble image captures the galaxy's unique shape and central brightness, providing a window into the unique properties of lenticular galaxies. NGC 3626 serves as a reminder of the different shapes and structures that galaxies can have, contributing to the universe's riches. NGC 5248. Our last stop takes us to NGC 5248, a spiral galaxy known for its mysterious ring structures and dense star regions. The image of NGC 5248 shows the galaxy's famous rings, regions of intense star formation and dynamic gas clouds. These stellar regions are the birthplaces of new stars, and their bright shapes reveal the dynamic activity taking place in the galaxy. Hubble's image provides a comprehensive view of these star-forming regions, allowing us to see the cosmic processes that create galaxies and new star families. NGC 5248 shows the beauty and complexity of galactic structures, revealing the complex interplay of forces that govern star formation and evolution. Caldwell 52. Our world tour ends with a look at Caldwell 52, an elliptical galaxy located 51 million light-years from Earth. Caldwell's image 52 shows a bright, focused structure that looks like a galaxy. About 115,000 moon-years across, Caldwell 52 is a large planetary body, whose appearance is indicative of the vast scales and distances that characterize the universe. At the end of our survey, Caldwell 52 appears to be the last reminder of the amazing and beautiful variety of galactic structures that Hubble has revealed. As we complete our journey to heaven, we are greeted with awe and wonder. The images taken by the Hubble Space Telescope reveal the most distant parts of the universe and show the beauty and complexity of the universe. From spiraling dwarf galaxies to ocean formations and oval formations, each shape represents the incredible power of a modern and enlightened world. As we await the next chapter in space exploration with the James Webb Space Telescope, let's think about this. Hubble's incredible feats and amazing observations have resulted. The world is a vast and wonderful place, and with each new image we are reminded of the endless possibilities that cannot be understood. Thank you for joining us on this journey around the world. We hope you are as captivated by these celestial wonders as we are. May your passion fly among the stars in the future.